Welcome to the Craftswoman channel. Yes, waist beads can help you lose weight naturally. This mommy and daughter duo lost several pounds by wearing waist beads. No, the weight didn't magically just fall off. They did the work. They exercised and they ate right. So, mom lost about 30 pounds, daughter lost about over 50 pounds, and this is all naturally. No tummy tucks, no mommy makeover, no liposuction. They did not get any surgery. They naturally lost weight with these waist beads. And I was looking through my old picture files and I ended up finding the daughter's old photo from when she got these waist beads 3 years ago. I could not believe it. When I saw them, I didn't even recognize them. They looked totally different. Well, mom, she had more hair and she was slimmer. I didn't even think that she was as big as she said she was. They showed me old photos, and then the daughter, I remembered her a lot more because I had the photo in my files, and so I will always see it. But isn't this amazing how these waist beads help them lose weight? Now, I will recommend or suggest that you wear either tie on or screw on, some type of string or band that's not going to be flexible and stretched like the elastic or the stretchy ones. So get you some tie on waist beads, do the work, and watch the weight fall off. The good thing about the waist beads is that you don't have to step on a scale. You can tell when you're gaining and losing weight by the way that your waist beads hang, by the way that they fall. And the daughter waist beads, they were just like almost falling off of her. I should have taken a picture to show you how loose they were. I just could not believe it. But I was so excited for them on their weight loss journey, and the waist beads really helped them. So, ladies, if you're on your weight loss journey, get you some waist beads. I'm sure you will not regret it. It's definitely going to help you lose weight. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know, what did you think about this video?